See students, sorry for disturbance. Let's see that ray. Ray is the what? Ray is also one of the part of a line segment, and in that there is one side. It is limited. There is no increasing. Okay, and it's increased to one path, one straight path, endlessly. That is called as ray. You can say that ray either right side or left side also. Okay, in this side also ray can we can extend the ray. Okay, so if you give this, or it's the origin of the ray, point is the origin of the ray, and it's increasing to the right side. That's why it's a OA, and if you give a name, it is O, and this is OB. So we can read this. How we have to write the ray? Ray OA. Okay, ray OB. Understand? And its symbolic form is OA, and on the head of the OA is a ray symbol. Okay, OB, ray symbol. Understand? So this is the writing format of ray. Second thing is that, see, the so many students, the binary mistakes they do. OA, ray OA is not equals to AO. Understand? So first of all you have to write the O only, point side first, and then endlessly. That is OA, it is the correct way, and this is your wrong way. Okay, in the line segment, in line segment AB, we can write that is equals to BA, because okay, it is not true, it is true. And line, in line also it's so correct, and line segment also, suppose it is line segment AB is equals to BA, that is also true. Okay, so both conditional, if you interchange the letters there, that is correct, but here it is not correct. Okay, why? Because it meaning is different, get change. Understand? So now next thing is that ray, here is that comparison is given. You can write these all three parts in the definition and diagrams in your notebook. Next is that angle. Angle, you know that angle is a such a things which is made by two rays. Okay, see, angle is formed by two line segments if they have one common endpoint. For example, two rays and one common point, that is called as, the diagram is called as angle. Okay, here is this one center point, and the two rays, their common origin. Okay, and the distance of two rays in between that is called as angle. This OAB, in that OA it is the ray, and OB also ray. Such a ray who having origin is common. In that OA and OB is called as arm. Arm means what? Hands or sides of the angle. And the O is called as vertex. O is called as vertex. Okay, so angle OA and OB, that forming the angle AOB or AOB, where the angle is formed, that letters comes between. Okay, AOB or angle BOA, BOA or angle AOB, and third name of angle is that vertex itself, angle O. Okay, so in this way we have understood. When two lines are intersect each other, so whatever the angle is formed, that all angles are angles. See, for example, an angle N, angle line L and line M, they intersect each other. So whatever the, see how many angles are formed, 2, 3, 4. When two lines are intersect each other, intersecting, so that time four angle form. Okay, now acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. See, this is acute angle. Acute angle, the angle which is less than 90 degree. Right angle is the angle which have 90 degree their distance. Okay, it's look like a corner. The acute angle is less than, look like a less than corner. The distance more than right angle, it is called as obtuse angle. And there are more angles also the made. That name of the angles are the straight angle. Straight angle is the angle whose measurement is 180. It's look like a straight line. Okay, Next angle is greater than 180 but less than 360. That is called as reflex angle. Okay, and the angle which is complete angle, it means, for example, see, here is the line ray, and the angle between here to here, it is called as complete angle. Okay, that is 360 degree. And reflex angle is what? The angle, suppose like this, the distance from here to here, the angle is more than 180 degree. Okay, this is 180 and this angle is also combination, understand? So this is called as reflex angle. Okay, now pair of angles that we'll see in the next video. So stay home, stay safe, bye.